We are thrilled to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can change alarm ringtone in Oppo. So in order to modify the alarm sound on the Oppo smartphone, you will need to firstly open the alarm page. Then over here, unfortunately you will not be able to change the alarm tone for all the alarms, or for, well, just universally for every future alarm you will have. You will need to do that one by one and modify or change the alarm tone for each individual alarm you have added over here. So tap at the alarm in question, then tap at the ringtone section, and in here you can either pick the ringtone from Spotify, set the custom one by picking the song or sound that you have downloaded on your device, or set one of the system ringtones that you have. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.